everyone. At the outset, let me express my gratitude to the wonderful organization Yamate Islami Hind for having me the opportunity to share some thoughts of mine on family life and family values. To my mind, a happy and contented family bound to each other by infinite love, care, and concern is the ideal smallest human institution in the world. For various reasons, unfortunately, the protective joint family system, which was prevalent in the country for many centuries, have slowly given way for nuclear families because of various valid reasons, like children being away for education or for holding the jobs in different parts of the country or different parts of the world. But it is very important that all the children, wherever they are located in earth, must have a sense of pride and for unity and love of the family, because family is the one which gives them the protection, respect, and the status. Because particularly when I want to tell same children, because of the parents you are alive, you are shining in life. You must always be thankful to God for having blessed with good family, good fathers and mothers, because parentage is very important in the formative years of a child's character formation, which everybody says, all the great learned people say, takes place from LKG to 12th standard. That is why the teachers have got one of the very prominent role in providing character-based man-making and education, so that they will become worthy citizens of a great country, deep-rooted in India's own culture and tradition. And we must definitely be aiming for human integration, and you must have concern for less privileged, less fortunate one. Like blessed are those who give without remembering, and those who receive without forgetting. It's a wonderful quotation because it covers the entire gamut of charity and gratitude. And I once again thank everyone. But same time, I want to tell you, old age is a process of the age, process of the life. For when the parents become old, they must be adored and respected by their family members. They must shower the love, and they must take it as an honor and privilege to look after them. They must not take them as a burden and put them in any money cannot substitute love. Therefore, putting them in old age home is not an answer. It's not a solution. You must always love them and look after them as much as they have looked after you in your young age. Therefore, God has given you an excellent opportunity to make your life noble and sublime by selfless service and sacrifice, particularly towards your parents. You must always feel obliged for giving you the birth and protection so far, and God will bless you all for doing this noble thing. Thank you very much, and I am sure I will have an opportunity to share with you for the need to make Chennai the spiritual integration center as well as intellectual center of India. And only when you have a happy family, you can have a proud nation of unity and unity. India is a wonderful land of unity and diversity, and it has always been in pursuit of human excellence. And I would also say that India never conquered 1 inch of space outside excess given countries. We have been always living for human integration and world integration. Thank you very much. I have the opportunity of sharing the thoughts with you again. I look forward to your wonderful participation and involvement to make our dreams a reality. Thank you. God.